So, Will, you're on your last block, last row. Last row. I bet you're glad, aren't you?
Yeah, well, I've still got another row, but that's going to be me U block. So it's just going to be a U shape.
Yeah.
And just got a steer in it and concrete it all up.
Like reinforced.
Yeah, so it got a nice pad to put them beams on.
Yeah.
But I might have a problem with 3 beams.
Why is that?
Because I was a bit stupid at the time.
Is there another learning curve, Will?
Yes.
Why?
When you, hang on, let me get these out. 2 tabs. When you get your measurements, get them where you want it, not where you can get it. So I took them all from bottom of this wall to where I wanted them down there. So oh, that's alright. Just take it up there. But this part of the wall is alright. But when you look it from there, the wall goes like that.
It's a bit weavy.
So I should have 11 centimetres on here and only 2 centimetres on here. So I might have to get a piece of wood all along here.
Yeah.
And bolt it into that concrete lintel.
Right.
So it's secure just for these 3.
Right.
Because all the rest will be alright.
That will's.
So yeah, when you get measurements, take them for where you need it, not 4 metres lower.
Yep, looking good. Good morning, boys.
Morning. Good morning.
So who have you got today helping you, William?
Sorry?
Who have you got today helping you?
Sorry? I got one of my friends helping me from Le Mans. I don't see him very often, so I got him working for me again.
He's come over for the weekend to see you, and you've got him working, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yes. Like he does all his mates. Tu vas travailler, toi?
Ouais.
Ouais. Allez, on y va.
Hein?
On y va?
Ouais, on y
Travaille.
va. Ouais, on y va. On passe.
car's just moved. My car's just moved. Come on, Manon. Sweep up.
Yeah, well, you're not used to it.
Ooh. Okay, everybody. So next stage is getting the roof on, and I'm a bit thick about how this roof's going on. So Jacob and William, whoever would like to explain. Go on, Jay.
So it's these ones.
You have to shout up a little bit.
So these ones what going across like that. But
So them things there. Have they got a name?
hey, wait. What?
Have they got a name?
What? The beam.
Yeah.
The poutrelles.
Poutrelle.
The poutrelles and the blocks, c'est des ourdis.
There's Audi.
Poutrelles ourdis.
So they go from that side to that side, don't they?
Yeah.
Then concrete with the metal in.
These, so here, as you can see, there's little dips in it. And that is going on the blocks there.
Yeah.
And this one is going on the railing down there.
Right.
And then just carry on like that all along.
So that's going to be like
Flat.
that.
Yeah.
That's the flat edge.
Yeah.
And in between each beam there's going to be a gap where there's steel. Then from that steel we have to get it
Right.
on more. And then the rest.
Then on the end
Then
one,
it's just going to be like that
that's
Okay.
the end one.
So-
on every time.
Right. So that's the next big job, innit, kiddo?
Yeah, there's 273 or 275, something like that.
Is he? Is that all?
Blocks. Yeah, that's all. That's not. It's not a lot. I just
No.
thought there's 560 blocks here
560 in the wall.
in the wall.
Is he? What height is it actually? Do you know?
3 meters.
3 metre high there.
Yeah.
Right. Okie dokie.
But yeah, there's quite. I don't know what to do. If to leave it in a garage or not, because it's quite a big area. When you look from that side, you come in like if this was a dining room or something like that, it'd be massive. So
Dad wants you.
we have to back up to work.
Go on, crack on.
Yeah. regarde, parce que les autres ils sont triangulaires, donc tu peux toucher, tu peux les bouger.
Ah,
Que eux c'est directement dessus, tu peux rien faire.
So when William was doing the last blocks on the top, which is the H, well they're like a U,
The U
blocks, you weren't very happy, was you?
It's not as good as all the rest because the rest has got it's got like a frame in it. There's holes in it, so when you put it down, it sinks into it,
So
and then you can move it as you want. But these U ones, they got a flat surface, so when you put it down, it's once concrete's there, you can't play with it.
yeah,
So when you put it on, it needs to be good straight away. But
you was getting a bit annoyed with it,
it's a
aren't
bit
you?
complicated because I needed to do it a bit higher so it's level with the rest of it and all that. And yeah, it's getting on my tits. But it's done now, so it's floor time.
And how many blocks did you say there was in it?
There's 253, not
253.
70 something. Well, there's 253 to do.
You just think you've moved all them by hand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there's there, but there's more. There's well,
Oh, I thought you meant in there. Well,
for the ceiling, there's 253.
oh, for the ceiling, 253 blocks.
There's 350 blocks here, plus there's 3 pallets
Right.
extra up there for the pond. And then there's 350, there's like 600 blocks altogether.
Right, okay. Hello again.
Hello everybody.
Thought you weren't saying that again.
Hello.
Hi everybody. So yeah, Williams and his mates have been really, really busy, and Dad and
Jacob.
the gang have been really, really busy, haven't they, up at yours?
Yep, getting on pretty fast now.
Yeah. We start back to work again.
Yeah.
And as you've seen on the video, Titwan came down.
Yep.
Your friend, isn't he? You've not seen him quite some time now, haven't you?
For a year, no, 2 years.
Yeah.
Maybe, 2
So he's
years.
from Le Mans, so he just come to give William a hand this weekend, didn't he?
Yep. So that's good of him.
And did a couple of videos for me.
He did.
And he tried telling William how important it is to do the videos for me.
I can't work and do the videos at the same time.
No, it really annoys him, so...
I just lose time working. But then when I don't film, I got her on my back and... So,
And I'm working as well, so it's quite hard for me to be up at Williams when he's working, because I'm working, and yeah, it's a bit crazy, isn't it?
yes.
But anyway, we're getting
It's
there.
getting on. Yeah. House is moving on. Videos are coming out.
Yeah,
So hopefully it's all good.
yeah.
But yeah, so we got them, that last row of blocks on, filled them up, got stairs in there. So got the blocks on, stairs in there, filled it up, and just yeah, went pretty good. The last bit I did was a bit of a nightmare to get on over the garage, because when I did it, it started raining, so all the cement from under it just went away, so my blocks weren't holding on. So I had to try and block it up from the inside and get them to hold on, so now they are all good. So, well,
There's
yeah,
always something, isn't there?
rain. Crazy.
So next part is the roof.
Is the roof.
Yeah, just started with, you got all the blocks for the roof. I've just explained about the rails in the roof.
The
So
rails, yeah.
yeah. So you've got to crack on with that next.
Yep. Hopefully it should be alright.
Yep. Okay
Yeah.
then, guys, thank you for watching.
Yep.
Don't forget,
Like, subscribe, ding 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 ding
ding
ding.
ding ding ding, ring the bell.
So,
See you
yeah.
all soon.
See you soon, guys.
Ciao.